All right, we are parked. We are in downtown Florence. Let's see what we have in here, guys. A lot of people, a lot of cars, and it's hard to find a parking spot. Okay. Look at that, cooking. Hi. Okay, thank you. Let's sit down right here.
No way, I thought we were sitting outside.
Well, I tried. So cute, rude.
People would leave a shop and then they come back in.
All right, we are walking downtown.
No, I know they're not.
Go ahead.
Do you guys want to cross?
Yeah. Hey, Ray Ray.
Wow, that dog has a weird bark.
Every dog has different bark. Mouse. Oh, they have mouse in here. The clam chowder place.
Baby,
Rock shop. Crystal Aloha.
I want to go in that bookstore in a little bit, Dad, so when I do keyhole project.
Which one?
Right behind us.
Oh, okay. Well, you can go now.
No, we'll go after.
Okay.
Come on, bud.
this is the old-fashioned ice cream Hector's probably talking about.
Probably, yeah.
Dusty got ice cream here once.
Oh, right here? Cool.
Yummy.
My gray and black flannel, that's where I bought it.
Uh-huh. Oh, really?
Yummy. You know me and ice cream. I love ice cream.
Wow. Cool. Where'd you go? This is really nice here, guys. There's a restaurant right down there where you can order crabs. They have live and cooked crab. Yum. And of course they have a chowder. So cool. Those boats are really cool. Beautiful day today, and there's a market going on right now. This is the old town Florence. Very cool. There's Kojak. How are you, Kojak? There's a restaurant right there. You can order get a crab and it's live, and then they'll cook it. See?
Crabbing right here.
Right here, see?
Yeah.
Not cool? We are stopping by to have ice cream. A short break. Millie Millie.
Look at that bad boy. It's probably like a 7,000 pounder.
Freaking, bro, that's a dandy.
Huge.
That's great. It looked big from when I was back there.
Yeah, this is bigger than the other one I caught yesterday.
Oh, for sure.
All right, hopefully I can hook it right. I don't want
Look
to.
at the cheeks.
I don't want to weigh this thing and then have it. Yeah. You get your weight in? All right, see ya.
It swims away.
I guess I'll keep this one for Dad.
Oh,
Yeah.
Daddy gonna like.
Over by those trees there around the corner,
Yeah.
I had some big bites.
You
but
did?
It was just playing with it. It was so weird.
Ooh, nope.
No,
Nope.
Don't get wild now, sweetie. Schwiggity schwooty.
3 pounds, 2 ounces.
Wow.
You want me to club it with my drink? And then we'll just throw it down?
Just put it in there.
I know, but you want to put it out of its misery. You don't want to. Or you can pull the gills out at least.
Wow. Tasha goes like that.
Evidently, my son and my daughter caught a big fish. It's a large mouth bass.
Actually, it's pequeño mouth.
Wow, good job, guys.
He's filming.
Woohoo!
Mine is 4 pounds.
Jeez, 4 pounds.
The big trout.
Wow, how long did that take you to reel it in?
Yeah, she had a hard time.
Yeah.
Really?
She had a really hard time.
Are you in your kayak?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, honey.
The end of my, there it is. See, that's mine.
Oh,
Oh,
wow.
I'm sorry, honey. It's wet. Here.
She was using my small rod.
No, it's got teeth, honey.
No, it does not.
Okay,
Got it?
careful. Yeah,
Put it
it's
right
heavy.
here. Under here. You got it. Just like Daddy does.